much an old country boy like me can't hack. It's early to rise, early in the sack. I thank God I'm a country boy.
It's Farmer Finn back again. I've been down with a cold the last few days. Today we're going to do a PTO demonstration to show you what it could do to you.
PTO means power takeoff. As you'll see in this video, a PTO is used on many farm implements.
Most all farm equipment nowadays has PTO, which is a drive shaft that runs from the tractor to whatever implement you're running. Today we want to show you the serious dangers of what could happen if you get into a PTO.
Equipment can be dangerous.
Watch this again. Can you imagine getting into this? Here I'm going to show you in slow motion how being at the wrong place at the wrong time could cause you serious injuries. Look at Jacob. He knew what was going to happen and it still scared him.
I'd hated to have been that guy, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
So always be on the alert and always watch your surroundings, because you don't want to trip on something and fall into a piece of equipment that's running. So you always should be with an adult, shouldn't you?
Yes.
Spring's right around the corner. So here at Rocky Knob, we got a decent day here. We're doing some maintenance on the tractor, on the big tractor, and we're working on the bush hog. We had bent up the back of it pretty bad, so Jacob and Josh and Tanner and Cliff and I, we've been welding and working on it while the weather's holding out pretty nice.
It's so much fun here at Rocky Knob. Me and Tabby are fixing the fencing where the deers broke it.
We went ahead and put a fresh coat of paint on the old bush hog after we finished it up. Can you see the PTO shaft on this bush hog? Don't forget how dangerous they are.
Trying to lasso me.
We ended the day by going up to Cliff's and helping him move some chickens.
Kids, keep watching, like and subscribe. We got more videos uploading right now.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to let you know when we post new videos.